Hello everyone, it's wonderful to see you all again. Today, I will show you how to populate Excel data into isometric title block using LDT in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's get started. First, create an Excel file containing the data you want to include in the isometric drawings title block as demonstrated in the video. Keep these important points in mind. 1. Make sure the line number in the Excel file matches exactly with the line number in your piping model. 2. Ensure there are no blank headers in your Excel sheet. 3. If possible, avoid using special characters in the Excel headers. 4. Avoid any duplicate rows with the same line number so that each line number appears only once. Once you have confirmed these points, let's proceed to configure LDT. Open the project setup and go to Isometric DWG settings, then select Title Block and Display. Choose the desired ISO style from the drop-down menu. Click on the Setup Title Block button. In the ISO Title Block Setup ribbon, click on Title Block Attributes. A dialog box titled Insert Title Block Attributes will appear. Switch to the LDT Setup tab. Click the three-dot button to browse and select the Excel file containing the data to be mapped. Choose the appropriate worksheet and select the line number column from the drop-down menu. Note that the line number column refers to the header row you created in Excel. Click the View LDT button to see your Excel data. Then, return to the Add Attributes tab. Under Attribute category, select LDT Attributes from the drop-down menu. Choose the attribute you want to add and click the Place button. Position the attribute as needed in the isometric title block. Repeat these steps to add any additional attributes. For demonstration, I have added 3 attributes to the isometric title block. Once all necessary attributes are placed, click the Close button. Then, click on the Close Block Editor button. A dialog box will appear asking whether to save or discard the changes made to the isometric title block. Select the Save the Changes to Title Block option. Next, click the Return to Project Setup button found under the Title Block Setup ribbon. A dialog box will appear prompting you to either save or discard the changes made to the iso.dwt file. Select the option to Save the Changes to iso.dwt. Then, click OK to save and exit the project setup. Extract the isometric for the line numbers listed in the Excel file. You will notice that all the data from Excel is now displayed in your isometric title block. That's all for today's episode. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on latest videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.